Today, I wanted to talk to you just a little bit about making a joyful noise. Do you know what that is? A joyful noise is a happy noise. Yeah, like that's a happy noise. Can you say that? Good. What about yippee, woohoo? That's a happy noise. Can you say that? Yippee, woohoo! And what about la 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 la? That's a happy noise. When we sing songs, that's a happy noise. When we say, I love you, that's a happy noise, and it gives us a happy face and a happy heart. Today, I hope that you will make lots of happy noises. It'll make your face happy. It'll make your heart happy. And it makes God happy. He wants you to have a happy, happy day. I love you. God loves you too. That's a lot to be happy about. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.